I'm Dr. Madhavi from Hyderabad. I came to know about this hybrid course comprises of both online classes and offline classes. Online classes we'll have weekly ones. They are very good with the help of experienced lecturer. They are very interesting topics like IVF protocols, stimulation protocols, pure ovarian responders, controlled ovarian stimulation protocols came across in online classes. After that lecture also we can ask lot of doubts similar to offline. In the offline, we have simulation programs regarding IUI, ETs, ovum pickups, and also hysteroscopy. And clinical attachments also we are having here. We can directly see the practicals with the help of the patients. It's a very unique course because we are being a practitioners, we are unable to come throughout the year. So we came for this hybrid course. Shantala madam classes are really nice. How to read also madam is telling. After the classes also whatever books, reference books also madam is telling. Not only this class, you have to read these topics and she's telling the topics also to read apart from the regular lectures. Kamini Rao madam, speaking to her online also, it's really, we thought like directly we are talking to the madam, and madam is very great, taking to all the questions. Even if the madam's class is 40 minutes and 1 hour, madam is telling you all the doubts, not only about the topic, any doubts from any topic also madam will help us a lot. Thank you Kamini Rao madam and Medline Academic team for conducting hybrid course. Is very useful for the regular practitioners who can't come all the way to Bangalore for have the 1 year course.